It was in 1936 that Papyrus Limited started their operations at Newton Kyme by coating paperboard for the parent company AB Papyrus. Now, 50 years later, they not only celebrate their golden anniversary, they're celebrating the fact that they've become Europe's largest specialist producers of barrier-treated carton boards. Today, as the world of consumer goods becomes increasingly sophisticated, high street and supermarket shoppers have become more discerning, demanding that goods are conveniently and attractively packaged. To meet and satisfy these demands, marketing departments and designers are producing more sophisticated carton graphics and often more complex carton shapes, requiring board that takes ink well, has good folding property, and yet will still handle the product. That's why more and more companies in the packaging industry have turned to Papyrus to solve their problems, because of the Papyrus policy of continuous research. The company have kept in the forefront of barrier board technology with the introduction of boards that easily handle heat, grease, water, and ice. Innovation is a byword with the company. From concept to development, they provide the answers for the ever-changing needs of today's high-speed carton packaging systems. The special properties of products like release pack and grease release, for example, make these materials available for the whole manufacturing and selling cycle, from filling, baking, and freezing, to wrapping and eventual retail sale, all with strong print surfaces to allow multicolour, high-quality graphics for maximum point-of-sale appeal. The Papyrus story started here 50 years ago with the opening of their plant in the delightful rural North Yorkshire setting of Newton Kyme, near Tadcaster, situated on the banks of the River Wharfe. The mill has changed considerably since those early days, for as the plentiful grass grew around its boundaries, it did not grow under the company's feet. By the end of 1957, the first board machine, BM1, was installed and working, enabling Papyrus to produce board with high-yield rigidity and good folding properties from virgin pulp. This machine still runs today and accounts for 1/5 of the company's total board production of over 36,000 tons per year. In 1962, a second, more sophisticated machine was ordered. The casting of the MG cylinder drum at Karlstad in Sweden was a major task in itself. The mold was filled with molten metal in just 58 seconds, 2 seconds below the time limit. The cylinder weighed 60 tons. The machine was installed by the end of the year, along with its sophisticated electronic control and computerized monitoring systems, allowing a uniquely flexible system of board manufacture with the purpose of satisfying the requirements of customers both large and small. Today, both machines run happily side by side. Large-scale investment continues at the Newton Kyme plant, with more than £3 million being spent in the last 5 years, including £1 million on new sheeting equipment for the finishing department, which is now one of the most modern in the UK. Computerized control is now very much in evidence at Newton Kyme, facilitating the highest control of quality. However, some things still work best when done by hand. Quality assurance has been a vital factor in the success of Papyrus, and both management and the skilled and dedicated workforce at Papyrus constantly monitor and check every stage of manufacture, from pulp to the finished board. Importing only high-grade wood pulp, here at Immingham, the greatest possible care is taken in the handling and storage of this raw material. And as we can see, quality is monitored continuously throughout the manufacturing cycle. The finished board is finally subjected to stringent physical inspection and testing. Each batch undergoes exactly the same treatment. Only when all the checks have been made will Papyrus allow the board to be dispatched to the customer. On time, of course. Production flows smoothly throughout the plant. While the Papyrus research team continue with the development of a new board looking towards better properties and new treatments, great importance is placed by the company on close liaison with customers, understanding their specialized requirements and being able to satisfy that need in a practical and cost-effective way. Papyrus is only too happy to discuss special requirements with customers. It's through this dialogue that new products evolve. All papyrus production is designed to achieve optimum printing and converting standards to satisfy today's food and specialist packaging industries. At these printing works in Speke, papyrus barrier boards are used extensively. Litho board, red rose and white rose take ink easily and provide a finish of exceptional quality, no matter what the barrier treatment. Printers are happy with papyrus board for its good handling and its superior finish for multicolour work. It's this kind of performance and quality control that printers and carton makers require. High-grade board, specifically designed to meet the carton maker's requirements, and delivered on time, every time. Here, at Eastleigh, Manor Bakeries bake exceedingly good cakes. They require exceedingly good board for their sophisticated production lines. Papyrus board was chosen for its superior qualities and constant reliability. Keeping customers happy and satisfied with the best in attractively designed packaging means better sales and profits. Keeping the packaging industry supplied with good quality board, backed by flexible, friendly service, has meant 50 years of success for Papyrus. And that's just the beginning. With continuous investment, Papyrus also have an eye to providing for the future, like the clean water being returned to the River Wharfe. Papyrus products are biodegradable, repulpable without separating waste, and reflect the will to preserve our heritage. So, if you'd like to know about the very latest barrier-treated carton board technology, talk to Europe's largest specialist producers, Papyrus Limited, and benefit from 50 successful years of progress. Papyrus, the carton maker's partner.